boy Jaden?
I cause one of my ex-girlfriend who me never want. Go up on the internet and talk about she use brush for me. You see it. And me no see, and them not have no proof of that thing, but them still a run with it.
She use brush? What kind of brush?
Makeup brush she said she use.
Makeup brush?
Yeah, in my back door. That's
Yes, and that's true. That's true.
Jaden! What you mean?
She said she use makeup brush for me.
It's a makeup brush should I go in on you? Me not understand.
That me I say around so well tight and squeeze. But anyways, make it stay. Make it stay.
Man, Jaden, that you pass. Cut the nasty conversation now, no, man. Whatever you do, you don't do.
No, me not do it. Me not do it.
So that make you fabulous?
No, that's why. We don't want to talk about her, you know. I have respect for her. I don't want to talk about, you know.
Me like Fabi bad. But so long me no come on TikTok, man.
Long time I don't come on TikTok. No mention a word against it. But
Hey, Jaden, hey, Spice, ask you about the toe now. The toe.
Yeah, me I hear say two slip in there too. First, so, Spice, hold on. First, me I hear say makeup going there, and them I say makeup at, and then me hear say big toe going there too. So, but and the big toe bigger than the brush, you know. Where brush? Where brush there?
You have your brush there?
Why? So now no makeup brush in there.
You have your makeup brush?
What for a makeup brush?
Let me go for a makeup brush.
Now give Jaden before you last.
So she put oil on it?
Wait, she put pan again, guys.
KY jelly.
She put gel on it, what you say? See more she brush her.
Let's see. I brush.
And what like this she use?
Spice, you're showing him the brush.
She use bio
And
oil.
he's getting torn on right now. He's getting
She
torn
use
on right now.
bio oil?
Jesus. Spice, move your
DDL.
Yeah?
DDL.
Move your camera, Spice. No, he brush. Move your brush.
Oh, you know want to see brush her traumatized?
I'm not traumatized. Turn it on.
He bumper.
Make it on, Spice. No,